Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day, doing something totally different, and I haven't done it in a really long time, but I ordered from Mac. I am so excited about it. I'm out here on my lawn, having a wonderful time with my doggie. Right, Sonny? Yeah, we're just chilling. And there's a guy playing basketball, so I apologize for the basketball sounds, but that is life. So I'm doing a makeup unboxing, and I'm really excited about it. So let's do it. I got lip products and at least one eye product. I feel so fancy. Look how nice they packed it up. Oh my goodness. Look at all those neutrals. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm overwhelmed. This is, I don't have a, oh my goodness, what do you call it? Tripod. I have nothing. Just doing this totally handheld. This was spur of the moment. I got a teeny tiny sample. I'm getting used. This is an iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm getting used to the camera. So yeah, teeny tiny free sample. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. And I got a small size, the original Fix Plus. This is from back in the day. This was like a must-have. And yeah, so I've been cleaning my bathroom and going through all my stuff and realizing that everything I have is expired. Alright, so I got a longwear paint pot in, can you guess? Painterly. Yes, Painterly. I went on their bestsellers page and I got a lot of stuff. So Mac Prep and Prime. This has awesome reviews. I'm older, so I definitely need to prime my lips to smooth them out for lip products. Lip Glass in candy box. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry about my camera. I had it set up to do macro, but I think it turned off as soon as I started recording. Bear with me, I'm so sorry. Okay, Glow Play Lip Balm in Sweet Treat. Oh my goodness, this is torture. I'm so sorry. Okay. Satin lipstick in, see, it's in focus. It does keep. Okay, Brave. Okay. Luster Glass lipstick. See, when it's in focus, it's so nice. It's so sharp. In Sellout. And this was the Fix Plus. Okay, so this is my Mac haul. I think I'm gonna like just do a lot of Mac products now. Oh, and I almost didn't see this, but I got, this was free too. All ages, all races, all genders. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. So it's like a makeup bag, probably faux leather, I'm assuming, because it has like a leather look and feel to it. Oh, and it says Mac up there. I love it. I love everything. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I used to make makeup videos way back in the day, but I think that time is behind me. But you never know. But it was so fun to do a haul. Oh my goodness. It has been so long. Hopefully these colors will look good on me. I have no idea. I didn't go to like a local Mac store or, you know, section within a store to like sample anything. So I don't know how it's going to look on me. But anyway, thank you for your patience with this like impromptu, out of focus, loud video. I love you. Take care, and yeah, have a great day.